Donsin Collaborative Robot Welding RW Series, with industrial design aesthetics, ergonomics as the core, breaks the rough impression of industrial equipment. The surface adopts a high-hardness composite coating, which is scratch-resistant and wear-resistant, improving safety and delicacy, while balancing durability and consumer-grade texture. The operating area conforms to the golden grip ratio, and the grip is suitable for most human hand shapes, making it natural and comfortable to grip. The key buttons are located within the natural coverage range of the thumb, and the center of gravity is aligned with the grip center. The surface has a slightly convex point texture that is anti-slip, making the operation comfortable and precise, achieving efficient human-machine cooperation. The Donsin Collaborative Robot highly integrates core components, eliminates redundant wiring and assembly steps, simplifies the operation process, and has excellent mobility. It can be easily moved by human push and quickly responds to the collaborative needs of different workstations, providing convenient and efficient solutions for flexible production and helping to improve operational efficiency. Donsin Welding Collaborative Robot focuses on the pain points of welding scenes. The robot arm is equipped with zero programming one-click start function, drag and drop teaching, graphical programming interface, and other technologies that enable workers without programming experience to quickly deploy and debug the robot, greatly reducing the threshold for use. With a clear and intuitive graphical interface, parameter adjustment and welding mode selection are clear at a glance. Within 10 minutes simple training, the ordinary workers can become proficient, easily responding to the welding needs of different workpieces, greatly shortening the equipment debugging cycle, making welding operations more efficient, easier to handle, and quickly adapting to the flexible needs of production lines. Without the need for a safety fence, it can work collaboratively with humans in a shared space, fully utilizing the flexibility and judgment of humans, and the repeatability and precision advantages of robots, achieving the effect of 1 + 1 2. This mode is particularly suitable for flexible production of small batches and multiple varieties. Donsin Welding Collaborative Robot is equipped with a practical magnetic suction base to cope with emergency situations at maintenance sites. It does not require complex fixing processes, and the base can stably fix the workpiece by absorbing it. It can immediately start welding operations, quickly respond to equipment repair needs, and save valuable time for maintenance sites, improving emergency response efficiency. Faced with the difficulty of welding complex curved surfaces, the Donsin Welding Collaborative Robot is equipped with a 360 omnidirectional rotating module, which can flexibly achieve multi-dimensional rotation and accurately meet the welding requirements of different angles of the surface. It covers the welding area without blind spots, easily overcoming the welding blind spots that traditional equipment cannot reach, and ensuring the welding quality of complex workpieces.